here we go. It's go time. Do or die time, as I posted on Facebook. Time to try to launch this boat and make sure it's going to run. And both boys are following me in their car, and that boat is right behind me. So I don't know what to expect, except for what I've seen on YouTube videos. It's going to be a whole new adventure. So I'm asking God to bless it, and I'm pretty excited. So here we are at Maynard Creek Water Park, and it looks like I picked a day of a bass tournament. Just a few boats beside mine, so I'm not going to get in any hurry. Maybe most of them are leaving. I don't know. We'll see. All right. What do you think, Doug? We're about to take that boat out for the first time.
Gotta be boaty.
We just gotta see if it starts and keeps on running. It'll be fine. It's a beautiful day. If nothing else, we'll just paddle around. Had Dustin holding it to the dock. I think I'm gonna invest in cleats for this place. Come screw them in place. Donate a little bit. We are down and away, folks. Smile for the camera. Yep, I'm not watching where I'm going. I'm just too excited. Just gonna mosey for a bit, kind of feel it out. Feels so good.
Very nice.
I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'll find my way around and then open her up. Okay. Above idle.
Did you do that or what?
No, I didn't do that. It ran kind of weird when I tried to give it gas. No, doesn't want gas. Starving for gas.
Do you think it's going to be overfilled it?
I don't know. What is it doing? First shot? Well, it's a glorious day. We're out here on a boat. Got my boys with me, and we remembered to put the plug in so it didn't sink. Thank you all for suggesting that we do that. That was a great idea. And it's a beautiful sunny day. God is blessing it. He's not blessing our engine. We got water coming out of cracks and it won't take its throttle, but that's all right. We're on a boat. We're enjoying the day. Glad to have you along. I want to thank everybody who supported me through this build. Keep on supporting me. We got to put an engine in it, and it'll be top-notch, beautiful, all new, all the way around. So here we are, Maynard Creek Water Park. Beautiful place to be moseying around. We are in mosey mode right here. If we go any faster than that, it won't take us gas. That's all she'll do, and it'll start spitting and sputtering. Plus, the more we do that, the more water leaks out of the side of the engine on the bottom now with here, as they say. Somebody's burning something over there. I think they got a leaf fire going or something. Yeah, we gotta get this thing stone reliable, and I can bring my wife out here, my mother-in-law, and get the whole family on the boat, ride around and have a good old time. I'm enjoying this. I might just park it and take a nap. Dustin trying to figure out how to get his head supported so he can take a nap.